Hello and welcome. Many people are searching for secrets and wisdom to live a longer, healthier, happier life. A human being at this time has lived a long life if one reached to 100 years. Yet we are surrounded by trees, by oceans, by rivers, by the planet we live on, by the sun, the moon, who live for thousands, millions, and even billions of years. Why and how can they live for this long? When we are lucky to live 100 years. To understand why, we first have to look at how they spend their life living. Mother Earth, for example, has lived for billions of years. She gives us food, water, oxygen, clothing, shelter, shade. She gives us everything we need in abundance. Yet she asks for nothing in return. She just keeps giving and giving. And the sun shines on everyone and everything every single day. The sun shines tirelessly, non-stop, nourishing us, nourishing the planet we live on, to help grow our food, gives us light. The sun helps us survive, yet it asks nothing in return. Then you look at what the average human being does and how they live their life. They work for themselves and their families. They continuously strive for bigger and better things. We feel that we are superior to nature, to Mother Earth, to the sun, the moon. Yet, if we looked to our home, Mother Earth, the sun, the moon, and all of nature as our teacher, then maybe we could live longer, happier and healthier lives. Maybe if we serve like these beautiful things, if we put others before us and give our life to service, then maybe we can live happier, healthier and longer lives. Thank you.